Yes, sir.
Okay. So now they have given that after collision you can check it. So after collision, you may observe carefully here. The velocity becomes the car A velocity. The car A velocity after collision, the car A velocity becomes 20 meter per second. So after collision, they are asking what is the velocity of the car B. So we want to find V2. That is what our question. Do you understand it? So now let us come to the formula. What is the formula? What is the law of conservation of momentum? Collision formula. Please speak. Collision formula.
M1 U1 in
Momentum before collision. Momentum.
equal to momentum after collision.
Momentum before collision. Before collision, which is equals to what?
Momentum after collision.
Momentum after collision. That is what you should write. Momentum after collision. So now momentum before collision. What is that here? This one and this one. Correct or not? So tell me. Momentum before collision is equals to m1 u1 plus m2 u2, which is equals to momentum after collision m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Any doubt in this? Please ask me. Now all of you speak. What is the m1 value? Substitute it. M1 is equals to how much?
1500.
M1 is equals to 1500 kilogram into U1 is equals to
25 meter per second.
plus M2 is equals to, or else you will feel difficulty to write the units. Please avoid the units. Directly write the only values. At the end, you should write the units. Okay? Please tell me. M1 is equals to, everybody, 1500 kilogram into, again I'm writing units. Sorry, 15 kilogram, 1500 into, what is that?
25.
Huh?
25.
25. So 1500 into 25 plus M2. M2 is equals to how much? 1000.
1000.
1000 into U2 is equals to how much? 15, which is equals to M1 equals to how much? M1 equals to again 1500 into V1 equals to how much? V1
20.
equals how much? 20 plus M2 is equals to how much? 1000 into V2. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All of you, please tell me. Is it yes or no? Pradosh, tell him to Monish join Ray. That Monish, where? What is that fellow? Please inform Pradosh, Monish. Stupid fellow. Now you see, observe very carefully. We want to calculate V2. Is it yes or no? V2 is our unknown thing. Correct? Now you see, slowly, Manya and Samya, observe very carefully. So what we will do means, slowly we will send all the things this side. So observe very carefully. First, let us send this one this side. This one. So here it is in addition. Will come this side. What will become? This side it will come. What will become? Or else you modify the values. So 1500 into 25. How much it is? Please tell me. 1500 into 25. You do it and tell me. 1500 into 25. How much? 37,500. Is it yes or no? 37,500 plus 1000 into 15. How much? 1000 into 15. Nobody knows. 15,000. Correct or not? Which is equals to 1000 into 1500 into 20. Which is equals to how much? 15 2 30,000. Correct or not? 30,000 plus 1000 V2. 1000 into V2. That's all. 1000 into V2. So now observe very carefully. 30,000 here it is in plus. If it will come this side, what will become? 30,000 plus here. It will come this side. What will become?
Minus.
That is what you should remember. Understand? So minus. So bring that side. So now you this here. So 37,000 plus 15,000. How much you add it? First that you add it. 37,500 plus 15,000. How much? 005 7 plus 5, how much? 7 plus 5, 12. It will come 4 plus 5, 52,500. Correct or not? So
Yes,
52,500
sir.
minus this will come this side. Here addition will become subtraction. So
Fraction.
minus, which is equals to 1000 into V2. Now, please do minus. It will do minus how much? 30,000. How much, Ra? 0, 0, 0.
49,500.
29.
Ray, 29,000 or 22,000? 22,000. Is it yes or no? Oh,
Sir.
22,500. Is it yes? Check Ra correctly. Is it correct or not? 22,500. Is it correct? Yes, Ra.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, so that is what you should write it. So 22,500, which is equals to 1000 into V2. Now you observe. So what will happen? 1000 is in multiplication here. Will come this side. What will become? 1000
Division.
multiplication here. It will come this side. What will become?
Division.
Do you understanding? So V2 equals to, can I write 22,500 divided by 1000, which is equals to V2. So V2 means reverse. I can write it now. So please cancel it and tell me. 1000 is there. So 3 zeros. So here 2 zeros will get cancelled. So one more zero is there. So 225 divided by 10, which is equals to V2, which is equals to how much? Please tell me.
22.5.
22.5. Do you know it or not? Any doubt in that?
Yes, sir.
So two zeros will get cancelled. Or else here down 3 zeros are there. 3 digits before I can keep the point. That's all. Correct or not? So 10 ones are
Sir.
22.5 are. Understand? So which is equals to V2. So what is the recoil velocity? V2 is equals to how much?
22.5 meter per second.
meter per second. That is what? Velocity of the gun. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is what we should call as velocity of the gun. So in the picture, velocity of the car B. So we have to write V2 is equals to how much, Ra? 22.5 meter per second. That is what we should write it. So you have to write it V2, not recoil velocity. Sorry, it is the car question. Correct? You have to write it. So you have to final write the velocity of car B after collision is the velocity of car after collision is the velocity of car B after collision is how much, Ra? 22.5 meter per second. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is all about this question. So please ask me any doubt, anything you can ask me here. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now, somebody will feel difficulty to solve this. I will say R, alternative method I will say. So what they are asking you to listen. Later you can see. You will feel it is easy, you can do it. Or else you see. What they are asking you to calculate? V2. Is it yes or no? V2 we want it. Correct or not? Tell me, R.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Velocity of body 2 after collision. Correct or not? So now you see. I will modify the formula now itself. M1U1 plus M2U2, which is equals to M1V1 plus M2V2. So now formula itself I can modify in a single step. How it is, you see. So M1V1, it is in a plus here. Will come this side. What will become, Ra? What will become?
Minus.
Minus. So that is what the formula. M1U1 plus M2U2 minus M1V1. Understanding? Divided by, here M2 is in multiplication. Okay, or else you can write M2V2. Now M2 is in multiplication. Will come this side. What will become?
Division.
Division. So M1U1 plus M2U2 minus M1V1 divided by M2, which is equals to V2. This formula directly at a single step, if you will substitute it, you will get the answer. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Whatever you want, you can follow. I don't have any objection, but the thing is, you have to solve it. That's all. Do it. 22.5 meter per second. You are doubt. Understand? You can do it. Do it now. Solve it. Pradosh, if you want, Yelamukil, Tamil Selvan, everybody, if you want this also, you can do it. Everything, single step, it will come. But this method is general approach. You may follow this method. Okay, Ra? Monish, if you
Yes,
have
sir.
to ask me, please. This is collision, during collision. From here you have to draw. These diagrams, I hope you have drawn. Now from here you continue. Momentum before collision, which is equals to momentum after collision. So before collision, which is equals to what? M1 U1 plus M2 U2, which is equals to after collision, M1 V1 plus M2 V2. Do it. Understand? Any doubt, Darun? Ask me. So here it is, you see, here it is in addition. So 1500 to 20, 15 to the 30, so 30,000. You can see directly, you can multiply. 15 to the 30, 3 zeros will come. That's all. So you can also, you can see here, 25 15s are 375. 25 15s are 25 into 15, you multiply, 375 will come, 00 will come. So here 15 ones are 15, 3 zeros will come. Multiplication faster, I'm saying. You have to add it. Do you understand? And also you see 35 plus 15, 50. 50 plus 2, 52 plus 500, 52,500. So here 30,000 minus it will do 22,500 will come. That's all. So you will get the answer, which is equals to 22.5. Any doubt in this, you ask me, please. Solve. So the final thing you have to write it, the velocity of car B after collision, that is. So after this solution, you can try in this method also, either you are getting same answer or not, you have to verify. Is it okay, Ra? You want Yelamukil and Tamil Selvan and everybody I'm saying. If you want direct formula, this I can make it more simplified. You can see. Formula I can make it more simplified. In these two terms, M1 and M1 is common. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So can I write it outside? M1 is equals to U1 minus V1 plus M2 U2 divided by M2, which is equals to V2. This is a more complicated, correct or not? That is why I am not saying it. So if they are asking you to calculate understanding velocity of a body B, you can use this formula directly. Will you understand? For a Monish, you don't get confused. You know, you won't understand. So here you see M1 and M1 is common in these two terms, so that M is bringing outside. So U1 minus V1. Do you understand, Ra? So again, if it's
Yes, sir.
come M1 U1, M1 into U1, next M1 into minus V1 minus M1 V1. Same thing will come. That is what I am writing. Okay, da? Pradosh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can substitute in this formula also. You'll get the same answer. So this is all about the today's class. So only two numericals I'm giving you. These two numericals, learn again and practice well. Then tomorrow we'll continue from here. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.